Howdy and welcome back to the shop. All right, we're back on our backing plate project. We've got a whole bunch of holes to drill. There's nothing, no new information here other than just kind of some of my problem solving, how I work things out. Okay, so I have picked up my center in the normal way with a wiggle whopper. One of the ways that I use to confirm that I'm on center is like this. I'll run her down, fire up my lathe or my mill, and then I will just simply measure okay, that's 1.320 is where I'm getting the kick, 1.320. Well, 317. Let's call it 317, 318. I'm going to go to the other side and see if it's the same. Yeah, we're within a thou. Pretty close. And I've done the same thing for the other way too. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get I use a center drill to spot with. So I'm going to do my bolt circle, my outside bolt circle diameter, the big one, first. That's a 3-hole. It's on a bolt circle diameter of 5.591, 3 holes. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to, just because of the way the clamps all worked, I'm going to start that at 90 degrees and end it at 330 degrees. There's 3 holes. 360 divided by 3 is 60. I'm going to kick it over 90 degrees. So my starting angle is 90, 360 minus 60 is 330. Don't ask me why it works, it just does. 240, actually I kicked it over to 90 degrees. So if I hadn't, my ending angle would have been 240. 240 plus 90 is 330. That's what we did. So 0, 0, 60, 240, or 90 plus that. Hope that's making sense. So we're going to go to, we're going to put this in the 0 position to start with. There we go. And the bolt circle diameter, enter center position 0, 0, diameter on the board 5.591, 5.591, enter. Starting angle, we want our starting angle to be 90. Whoop, not 9.0. Whoops. Starting angle 90. Ending angle 330. Number of holes 3. Okay, hole number 1. Okay, this is nothing new to anybody. I'm going to go ahead and spot these and probably drill them. All right, now I'm going to run in. I've got another set of 3 holes to do that are on the same clock as these original 3 holes. And there goes the furnace running. I hope you can hear me. But they're clocked the same direction, the same orientation as these first 3 holes. So I'm going to go ahead and spot them and drill those. right then. So now I'm about to tap my holes or get started tapping my holes. So now you see this, maybe you see. Let's get you in a little closer. Okay, so this set of 3 holes and this set of 3 holes is offset by, what I say, 90 degrees. So on this DRO, and I don't know if this is standard or not because I'm not a machinist, but I play one on TV. On this one, 0 position is here, and angles are counterclockwise. So this is 0, this is 90. So 90, and then 120 plus 90, and then 120 more. Boop, boop, boop. And this end up here is 304, or 330. So, same way with this one. 90, 120 plus 90, and 240 plus 90. So that gives us these. Now, we also have to offset our 4 holes here because this bolts on to the backer, or to the head, with 4 bolts. They're 8mm, 1 1/4, or 1.25 bolts or studs that stud in here. So I've got to get them threaded. But there's going to be a clearance issue because we've got to make a relief cut in here for the chuck pinion on 3 places. So there'll be a relief cut here, there'll be a relief cut here, and there'll be a relief cut here in order for the pinions to clear. And we'll do that probably maybe in the next episode. But I just wanted to show that, okay, this is a 90-degree offset on these 3 holes. This is a 45-degree offset. So we've got 45 degrees, 90 plus 45, 180 plus 45, and 270 plus 45. So our end hole is 315. That'd be 360 minus 45. So 360 minus 45 equals 315. So that's how you got to figure offsets on this crazy ToAuto DRO. And hopefully I've got enough meat in here and enough clearance room to where I can mill pockets for the pinions to clear. So I'm going to go ahead and get these holes tapped. I'm just going to start my tap down in there, about 3 threads, and I'm going to hand tap it. But I'm going to do all that off camera because I'm sure you've seen how to tap a hole and break a tap off before. And with this being set up on my precision piece of plywood here, it's really not going to tap well. I don't have a helical tap. I've just got a plug tap. So it's, I've got to run it down, back it out, run it down, back it out, run it down, back it out. So that's not going to tap really great. So do that off camera. Till we meet again, y'all drive safe and watch for deer. Give me a big fat thumbs up for putting the camera in my face. See ya.